Hello. We just finished our class and I wanted to take a minute and just kind of recap and go over some of the key points with the different styles that we went through. There were a lot of different techniques that were used, so I want to just refresh your memory so that when you go to use them, you have this as a reference. So, for the cuff, remember that you can use this in so many different ways. We wanted it to kind of extend off the bottom of the head, and we use the pins to give that support, but you can do it up on top if you're doing an avant-garde look. You can do pigtails and have the cuff coming on the side, or you can really drop it down for someone who maybe has a low back to their gown or something more formal. So this could be utilized so many different ways. When we went into our braided chignon type of thing, key point is doing this circular parting. That's what gives it that detail on the side. And again, just that really soft veil of hair that comes onto the face. I have it kind of coming across the face, but you can also kind of come it down on the neck. This is just a pretty accent point for this look. And remember that you want to see that parting, so keep it nice and clean, and always think about adding that extra hair to make it more fun. And for our last style, this is how to create a shape within basically one length hair. Key points for this: you're going to have that diagonal parting that's coming to a point underneath, and you're going to vary that depending on how much hair you want out and the thickness of the hair. The more hair you want to see, it's going to go lower. If you need to take away some of the bulk, you're going to go up higher. For curling this, key that we're going to curl everything up and going towards the center so that when it drops down, we get that very natural curl formation, and we left our ends out as we were curling. Again, this can be modified depending on the type of look that you're going for. You can go with a tighter curl, you can go with just a beach wave type of look, and you can also use that braiding for an up style as well. So I hope these different tips and techniques are useful to you, not only behind the chair, but on set as well. I look forward to seeing you again sometime soon. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.